Hello everybody. Today, cooking with old Jim, we do a basic stew, a simple basic stew. Very tasty, I recommend it. So here goes. Right, so here are the ingredients for the basic stew. 900 grams of potato, one decent sized onion, and 900 grams of carrot, pepper, vegetable stock, oil, and the main ingredients is 900 grams of chicken, frozen in this case, chicken breast. Always make sure the meat is defrosted before proceeding with the recipe. Right, so now I set to and cut this into pieces. About that square. That's a good size. That square. So this one. Right, into the pan they go, which is about 3 on electric. Remember always to wash the knife and the board after cutting up chicken, and obviously wash your hands well, because the next thing we're going to cut are the vegetables, so we don't want contamination from raw chicken. So the chicken's sizzling away there. There we are, so another 4 or 5 minutes that should be done. Right, that's the meat sizzling away there. So now we start preparing for the veg. There's 2 ounce or 50 grams of butter into the wok that we used, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And 2 of it. Right, so now we're into the peeling. Carry on. I prefer big potatoes because there's more potato and less peel. Let's take any of these. Right, that's the potatoes done then. Okay. And now the delightful carrots. Right, the potatoes, carrots are done. Now for Mr. Onion. I don't shred the onion, I leave it whole. But it imparts the onion flavour to the stew. Just look at that, eh? Beautiful colour. Lovely. So I'll throw these away now. Right, now I'm going to slice the carrots. It's up to you how you cut them, but Right, so now we cube the potatoes. You'll see the size of the cube, but they aren't about half an inch. But you'll soon see how big they need to be, in my opinion anyway. Right, so the potato cubes about that size. Right, now we've got the oil and the butter in the wok sizzling reasonably at number 3. So in go the potato cubes, and in go the carrots. I'll give them now the idea is to sweat them just a wee while, about 10 minutes or so. We'll put them on the timer. You can hear them sizzling. So now I'll give it a little stir and mix the carrots in a bit. The trouble with carrots is they all stick together. There we are, that should do the trick now. So just let them sizzle 10 minutes at number 3. The veg have been sweated for the 10 minutes, so in goes the vegetable stock. It normally takes about a pint and a half, or thereabouts. Yeah, that'll be a pint and a quarter in this case. I'll just get another pint. Here we are. I like plenty of... There, that should do it, that should do it. Just cover the veg with your pint and a quarter. And they're still on temperature 3. Right, now we've got the veg simmering away, they've been sweated a bit, so now in goes the chicken that's been browned, as you saw earlier. So I'll mix it in so it's not just stood on top. I'll lay it on top. Right, we now have the stew all ready for the oven. So I'll turn that one off and set the oven. It should be preheated to 170 for an hour and a quarter. Just to make sure that everything's cooked thoroughly. So here we go. Here we go. I'm putting it into Old Faithful, my casserole dish that's nearly as old as I am. But it's very, very useful piece of kitchenware because they're quite resilient and they can take all the temperatures you throw at them. Okay, I've lightened the wok there, so now I do my Samson act, and in she goes. Now it might just need a little bit more. Oh no, that's alright. Sometimes it needs just a little bit more moisture because I like it to be just over the top, but that's about perfect, is that? So on with the ancient lid and into the preheated oven. The old casserole dish is now ready with the stew into the preheated oven, preheated to 160 for an hour and a quarter. So I'll set the timer. There we are. So the stew should be ready now, or is ready now. So I'll take it out and see how we go. Be careful because it's very, very hot. Very hot indeed. Is it dropping it? There we are. Open top. And there's your stew bubbling away. Isn't that lovely? But do be careful, it's very, very hot. Very hot. That's it, that's how we do a basic stew, which rhymes. I hope you enjoy it. You can have it with dumplings or Yorkshire puddings, your choice entirely. Hope you enjoy it.